You do not need to be rich to start investing. No thousands of dollars, no finance degree, no guy in a suit. About $100 in 10 minutes is enough, and starting now matters more than starting big. I'll show you the safe, boring, beginner way. Let's kill the myth. Investing isn't gambling or picking the next hot stock. It just means owning tiny pieces of companies that grow over time. The real secret isn't being smart or lucky. It's time. Money invested has decades to compound, and the earlier you start, the more it works in your favor. Step 1. Open a brokerage account. It's a special bank account built for investing. The big online brokerages open one free in about 10 minutes with no minimum. Link your bank, move money over, you're ready. Simpler than most people expect. Step 2. The big one. Don't try to pick individual stocks. Buy an index fund, a single basket holding hundreds or thousands of companies. One purchase, a slice of the whole market. A total stock market or S&P 500 index fund is the classic example. Instant diversification, rock bottom fees, no guessing which company wins. Step 3. Use fractional shares. In the past, if a share cost $300, you needed $300. Now almost every brokerage lets you buy a fraction, so your $100 buys $100 worth, no matter the share price. A small amount is genuinely enough today. Step 4. Automate it. Set up an automatic recurring investment, even just $20 or $50 every payday, straight into that index fund. Two powerful things happen. It becomes a habit you never think about, and you're buying steadily instead of timing the market. That's dollar cost averaging, takes all the emotion out. Step 5. The hardest. Leave it alone. Investing rewards patience, not tinkering. The market goes up and down short term. That's normal. The people who win keep investing and don't panic sell when prices dip. Your job after setting this up is mostly nothing. Let time and compounding do the heavy lifting. Beginner mistakes. Trying to time the market, chasing whatever stock or coin is hyped this week, and checking your balance daily so you panic and sell at the worst moment. Boring and consistent beats exciting and reckless. So open a free brokerage account, buy a low-cost index fund, use fractional shares so your 100 goes straight to work, automate a small amount every payday, and be patient. That's how real investing starts. Small, steady, boring. Subscribe to Never Taught That, the money lesson school skipped, beginner tools in the description. See you next time. If this helped you, subscribe and hit the bell. That's how the next one finds you. Next time on Never Taught That, Roth, IRA explained, and tax-free money.